Are you tired of struggling to maintain a consistent brand voice across all of your marketing materials? If so, then you'll be happy to hear about WordHero AI Content Writer's new brand voice feature. This powerful tool can help you train the AI to write in your preferred style, ensuring that everything you publish is on brand. Select your template. Click on three dot. Select your brand voice. Write your outline. Write focus keyword. Write your A writing tone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on using WordHero AI Content Writer.